In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new organization in Zoho Books. Let's start from your Zoho Books dashboard. At the top of the page, you'll see the current organization name displayed in the header bar. This is usually on the upper right or left, depending on your layout. Go ahead and click on that organization name. This is your main access point for switching between organizations and creating new ones, so it's helpful to remember where it is. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, look for the option labeled Manage. This section is where Zoho lets you handle everything related to your organizations, such as viewing existing ones, switching between them, or adding new ones. Click on Manage to open the Organizations page. On the Organizations page, you'll see a list of all the organizations currently linked to your Zoho account. Here, you want to find the option that says New Organization. This is usually a button or link near the top or side of the page. Click on New Organization to begin the setup process. Zoho will then prompt you to add new organization. You may see a pop-up window or be taken to a separate screen, but the idea is the same. You're confirming that you want to create a completely new organization profile, separate from your existing ones. Click on Add New Organization to continue. Next, you will be taken to the initial setup form where you need to fill in your organization's details. Take your time here. Enter the legal name of your business or organization exactly as you want it to appear on invoices and financial documents. Select the correct country and time zone. Since these can affect your tax settings and date formats, you'll also typically add your address, currency, and basic contact details such as your official email and phone number. Make sure everything is accurate because this information will appear on your customer-facing documents. If you're unsure about any field, you can usually update it later in the organization settings, but it's best to get the fundamentals correct now. Once you've reviewed all the information and you're satisfied that everything looks good, scroll down and click on the button labeled Let's Get Started. This will save your details and create the new organization in Zoho Books. After that, Zoho will load the new organization's dashboard and you will be ready to start configuring things like chart of accounts, taxes, and templates within this new organization.